I am Kaustubh from GT House, and today we are going to talk about classic leather gloves. But before that, let me show you my classic bike. So if I am riding a classic bike like this, then I would prefer to have gloves which would match with my bike. And I have with me these lovely Shima Caliber classic leather gloves. Look at that tan brown. Isn't it beautiful? Like every time I'm going to try them and show you all the features. Oh, these are super. Look how super tight they are. So I guess the glove will open up slightly once the leather plate breaks in. But as per Shima, this is purposely designed to be super tight. It's sleek, supposed to fit it like this. I'm using an S, that is my normal size of the glove. The leather used in this glove is a goat leather and it's not heavily treated, which means the texture of the natural leather skin is retained as much as possible. It's not buff. You can actually see the grain, the texture of the original leather skin, and it's very slightly pigmented. It's not heavily colored, so you get that natural feeling of the leather. There is a hard TPU knuckle on the top, and it is backed by a Poron XRD impact absorber, which is considered as the next best thing to the trio in terms of impact absorption. The position of the knuckle is bang on spot. It's exactly covering my knuckles and it feels really very solid. The top part of glove is perforated right from here till the end of fingers. So it's going to give you very nice ventilation, and this glove is going to be perfect for summers or even to ride daily in the traffic. On the palm area, there is a Poron XRD impact protector. As I have said again, this is considered as one of the best impact protection systems in market. There is a reinforcement leather patch on the palm and the side of the glove. There is an additional patch for grip. The fingers are pre-curved. On the wrist, there is a Velcro strap which ensures the glove is sitting very tightly. To summarize, this is a very nice looking retro glove with decent protection. It would go really very well with classic bike or any urban retro bike like Interceptor or the Triumph Bonneville or even the new Java. And finally, if you like them and you want to buy them, you can buy them from our store in Pune, here in Throttle House, or from our website or from our official store partners. We have given all the details and links in the description below. Do check them. Until then, stay home, stay safe.